Hello everyone, I was given these Glacker hair clippers for the purpose of this review, but my opinions are my own. Before I start with my own opinions and the unboxing, I wanted to show you some clips of me cutting my own hair and my son's hair just so you can hear how it sounds and how it performs. So far, what I really liked about it is it's cordless and it's very lightweight. So I've been cutting my own hair for a long time. So doing the back and reaching around, it's nice because there's no cord, and again that it's lightweight. I did really like that it comes with a lot of attachments, especially like the big one. I don't do a lot of scissor cutting on my hair or my son's hair, so these were nice to go up and trim the longer hair. And it does come with a lot of attachments, so you can go through the full range. I think this should be fine for trimming your beard or your hair. If you're going to be trimming more sensitive areas of your body, I don't know if I'd use this as much. Maybe you can try these attachments that will probably work better for more sensitive areas or sensitive skin. For example, when I trimmed my son's neck, instead of using this, I used these different attachments to trim his neck. So since this is lightweight and cordless, I'd consider it probably like medium power. So I just would do nice, slow, smooth strokes through my hair, as you can see in the video. It does come with this adjustment here. So it does lift up the two blades a little bit, but you need to keep in mind that if it says it goes from a 0.5 millimeter to 2.5 millimeters, you need to keep in mind that the 2.5 millimeters wouldn't be like this. This was the side of your head. This wouldn't be the 2.5 millimeters. The 2.5 millimeters would be like this if you're going straight up like that. The lowest attachment that it has is the 3 millimeter. I did wish it had a 2 millimeter and maybe a 1 millimeter just to get that really short haircut, but this was short enough for my hair and for my son's hair. But if you're considering doing like skin fades and stuff like that, I'm not sure if this would be the best thing for that. Another thing I would consider is maybe putting a little more grip on here. It's a smooth plastic, has a little bit of grip on the back. All in all, I'd consider this a decent medium-powered hair clipper if you're looking for something in this price range to get general haircuts done and beard trimming done. So I'm going to do an unboxing here, so stay tuned for that. Hello everyone, I've been giving these Glacker hair clippers for the purpose of this review. I'm really excited to try these out. I've been actually cutting my hair for over 30 years now, and I never had a cordless version, so I'm excited to try the cordless version. These have 3 different kinds of blades you can use, where it says 3 in 1 blade, and it has a bunch of clips here. It has a ceramic blade, power on-off switch, and a turbo switch as well, and some LED indicators. Has 13 clips, the 13 pieces. It's cordless. Again, that's what I'm excited about. I'm also excited about the precision dial. And it says it has a U-shaped blade, so I'm going to take this, unbox this, and take a look at it. Comes in a nice looking box, cool graphics. Nice Glacker logo there. As you open it up, you can see the instruction manual here. It comes with a 1-year guarantee. Has some quick use instructions here on how to change out the blades and the guards. Looks like this is a cape that it comes with. Here's all the different clips. The different blades. So this can probably be used for more detail work, sideburns and such. Another blade here. Comes with your charging cord, cleaning brush, blade oil. And here's the main clipper. Let's see if this has any power. Alright, so it has some power to start. Here's your LED indicators there. Here's a turbo switch. So I'm excited about the cordless feature. I'm going to charge it up and then test it out. So here's the adjustment length for the adjustment dial for the blade length. So you can see that's the lowest setting you can get. And then there's the highest setting. So we'll see how that works for fading and blending hair. I'm also interested to see the shortest clip and the biggest clip. So you can see a bunch of different clips. 16 millimeter, 13. This goes up to 22 millimeter in the black clips. And for these grayish beige clips, you have 32 millimeters, 51 millimeters, 38 millimeters, so they actually get quite big here. So you can use that to cut the top of your hair if you want. Seems like these both will fit this main. So it just clips on easy like that. So you just put it on and then push this. Nice and easy. And also these smaller blades for more of the detail work. That's 6 millimeters there. Also comes with a comb, plastic comb. So it comes with a 3 millimeter too. So I was interested to see what the shortest and the longest is. So 3 millimeter. All the way up to 51 millimeters, all the way up to 51 millimeters. So this is the shortest 3 millimeters, and this is the longest 51 millimeters. So we're going to give this a test and cut some hair with it. We're going to cut my hair and my son's hair, and we'll see how it goes. It comes with a charging cord, but you're going to need your own wall charger, just so you know. It's a Type-C USB charger.